All right, this is a little tricky, so pay attention and get this right. We want to zoom in and see how many extra pixels we have here. So either hit the letter Z, click on the magnifying glass, hold down the space bar and the command key, and click and drag to the right until you're zoomed in to 3200%, all the way in. Now, you can manually click or manually count these pixels here, but if we grab the rectangular marquee and click, oh, why is it making this? Well, it's because we have fixed size set up. Change fixed size to normal. And then you can click and drag here, and you can see that it's 9 pixels high. 9 pixels here. And now, what about this light yellow? Isn't that part of this? If I click and drag in the center, watch when I drag out to the bottom. Notice how the width and height are both 30 pixels? 30 pixels. Every pixel is 30 by 30 pixels. That's 900 times its actual size. So if I just click over here to deselect, I'm going to click and drag down again. 9 pixels on the height we have to remove. Command D to deselect. Canvas size, Option Command C. Image, canvas size, Option Command C. Get used to that. You're going to use this again and again and again and again and again. I want to remove 9 pixels from the top, so I can click on any one of these 3. I want to resize from the bottom and reduce the height, the second number, by 9. So 816 minus 9 is, if I subtract 10, it's 806. Add 1 is 807, right? Easy. Or just do it in your head and say 816 minus 9 is 807. 807. Again, resizing from the bottom. Click OK. Photoshop freaks and says, hey, you're chopping off some of the canvas. That's the whole idea. Now, with the rectangular marquee, again, click and drag. Make sure you have 30 pixels. You saw that, 30 by 30. Command D to deselect. Now, how many off on the side? 7 pixels. Did you see that? 7 pixels. So we want to chop 7 pixels off the side. Command D. Option Command C. We're doing the canvas size. If you want to do both these at once, if you're a whiz kid, start from the bottom right corner. You can chop the top and the right-hand side at the same time. That's the way I do it. We want to chop 7 pixels off the width from this side, the right-hand side. So that's 807. What a coincidence, huh? 807. And yours probably, this is lucky, yours probably won't be the same. It might be, but don't worry about it if they're not. If you're doing this math right, click OK. Yeah. Then with the rectangular marquee, click and select and make sure 30 by 30. If you get something less than that, you have to start over because you did it wrong. Okay? So now we got to get the bottom right-hand corner. But the cool thing about that is I know the actual size of this because this is 30, this is 2. This is 30, and then there's 2. And if you add up all those by 25 pixels, you get 798. So if I hold down the H key, and then while holding down the H key, hold down the left mouse button, and come over here just so you can see it, and look, here's our 30 by 30. Perfect. And we don't even have to count the pixels. I'm going to hit Command D to deselect. Let's pull up the canvas size again. Option Command C, canvas size. We want to resize from this top corner. We don't have to do math. 798 by 798. 798, tab 798. And then we go ahead and click OK, click Proceed, and then just to check, there is our 30 by 30 pixels. We have made a perfect reduction. We got this weird gunk in between our pixels, and we'll take care of that in the next video.